Hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so we're gonna first of all do the thumbs up thing. Thank you. And we're gonna share the video and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I'd love to welcome you. Okay, so we're gonna be using the pressure cooker this time. And I'm going to be cooking kale greens mixed with spinach. Can you think about those two flavors in your mouth? Oh wow. So you know we all love kale greens and the benefits of kale greens. Well, let's not double that. Why don't we just double that benefit with the spinach? Okay, and I'm going to be cooking a piece of smoked turkey in there to flavor it up. So, all three of those flavors are gonna make you want it. Okay, let's do it. Thank you for hanging around. Why don't I start with the word of the day, because I know you like the word of the day. The word of the day is gentle. Gentle. You know, sometimes when you hold a little baby, you're very gentle. Sometimes when you really want something from someone, you're very gentle in the way you say it, in the tone of your voice. Gentle. Gentle gets the job done, doesn't it? We need to think about that and use that inner us more often. Gentle is the key. That's the word of the day. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I have the insert here from the pressure cooker. And I already washed the kale greens 3 times. So the kale green comes like this. You're going to take and pull right up and take the stem off like that. So you end up with just the greens and throw the stem in the trash. Okay? Okay, so now that we see how we did that, let's put the kale in. And this is 1 large bunch of kale greens. And I'm pushing it down so that it all can get in, because it will cook down to half this. Okay, so we have the kale in. I'm going to put the smoked turkey in. This is a half of a smoked turkey wing. I wanted to put that further down. Okay, it's down in there, so the flavor can come up. And now I want to start adding my seasonings before I go any further with the spinach. So this is garlic that I process in the food processor. I want to add some of that. Give it some flavor. Okay, that's about a tablespoon of garlic. No, wrong top. Okay, now we have some granulated onion, or if you don't have this, you can cut up an onion. Black pepper. Ground mustard. Apple cider vinegar. And let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 2 packs, which equals 2 teaspoons of stevia. Stevia is a sugar substitute, or you can use regular sugar or honey or no sugar. Okay, now that we have all that in, I'm going to add the spinach. little more to get in here. And this was, I would say, 5 cups of spinach. Okay, so we have everything in there. Now we need some fluid. This is 3 ounces of water. And another 3 ounces. That's a total of 6 ounces of water. Okay, now I want to add some olive oil. I'm going to put that right on the sides and in the middle. I'm just pushing this down so that my top goes on without a problem. Okay, now I'm going to turn your attention to the pressure cooker. I'm moving the camera. There we go. Okay, I'm putting the insert in. I'm putting the top on. Locking that down. Okay, now we want to set our time. Can you see me? Let me see. Okay. Okay. Oh, no. Let's start that over. Okay, let's set the time. I want to do 35 minutes. Okay, so the pressure will build up and then the cooking time will start, and we'll be back. Thanks. Okay, our kale greens and spinach is done, and that's hot. So we're going to take it out the pressure cooker. There's the bone from the turkey wing. Okay guys, that's what we're looking like. Look at that. Kale greens and spinach. Okay, let me take a taste. Okay guys, let's try. Delicious. You know, when you cook with the pressure cooker, it makes things nice and tender. And I have to compliment the pressure cooker for the tenderness of these kale greens. And of course the spinach is in there tasting as if to say, hey, I'm here. I taste them both. It's so good, so good. Okay guys, and we're not going to leave out the smoked turkey wing. That smoke flavor made it all happen. Okay, so you enjoy yours, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? And by the way, if you go buy a piece of smoked turkey, you don't have to cook the whole thing. You can take off a piece and cook that piece and save the rest for another time. It goes a long way. That smoked flavor is going to come through no matter what. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Talk to you soon, okay? Much love.